Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to be unboxing this Tinie Tempah Disc-Overy CD, and then I'm going to be comparing it to my other three, which is CeeLo Green, Katy Perry and Pro Green. I ain't going to be comparing it, I'm just going to be like, comparing album artworks and how it's all presented and that. And that's the front. Features the tracks Pass Out, First Gear, Written in the Stars, and Miami to Ibiza. Put this CD into your computer for exclusive bonus content. Oh, I'll be doing that then. Cool. That's the front, that's the back with all the track listing, that's the CD, that's the booklet, and here's a little question for you all which I want you to answer in the comments. Which CD would you buy because of the album artwork? The Tinie Tempah, Pro Green, Katy Perry or CeeLo? I would have to go with, no, which one's more exciting? The Tinie. Yeah, definitely. Let's just have a look in these booklets as well. In the middle there's a picture of CeeLo. There's all the lyrics. In the Katy Perry one, front cover, lyrics, picture. Pro Green one. It's got a different feel. That feels like plasticky and that's just paper. That's got lyrics and a picture. And this Tinie Tempah one has got lyrics, a picture. I thought this came with a poster. Don't know. That's the Tinie. That's Pro Green, Katy, and CeeLo. Yeah, just wait a second while I put these all back. That's the CeeLo. Katy. Have a look at this. It's Pro Green. Tinie Tempah. Which one looks better? Yeah, it's just been a quick follow-up unboxing of Disc-Overy. Well, thanks you all for watching.